Need to create folders on your MacBook Neo or any MacBook? You might know the basics, but there are a few ways you probably don't know yet, including how to create smart folders. Here are 3 quick methods. Let's say you want to create a folder right on your home screen or inside an existing folder. First method is creating a folder using your TrackPad. Simply double tap on your TrackPad with 2 fingers. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on New Folder, and your folder is created. If that doesn't work, you can enable right-click. Go to System Settings, scroll down and open TrackPad. Then, under Secondary Click, select Click in bottom right corner. Now you can right-click anywhere on your desktop or inside any folder and select New Folder. If you double-tap or right-click on an existing folder, you'll see more options, from where you can customize it as you want. Second method is using the top menu bar. Whether you are on your home screen or inside another folder, click on File at the top and select New Folder. You can use this anywhere: desktop, documents, downloads, wherever you need it. The third method is creating Smart Folder. Just click over the File tab and choose New Smart Folder. Click on the Save option. Now, from here, you can rename your folder and choose the exact location or folder you want to save it. If you want quick access, keep the Add to Sidebar option checked. Hit Save and you'll find it in your sidebar. You can use smart folders to quickly access important files when you need them. Now you know a few extra ways to create folders on your MacBook most people miss.